Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to troubleshoot your NutriBullet portable blender charging issues. Now it's very easy and simple. First, I want you to go ahead and verify the outlet. Just confirm that the wall outlet that provides the correct voltage and frequency specified for your NutriBullet portable blender, and also avoid overloading, guys. Please do not overload the outlet with other devices. This can affect the power supply. Also check the cord. Make sure the cord is properly plugged into the wall and into the blender. And also the charging port, guys. Make sure you use a lint free cloth or a dry brush to remove any debris or moisture from the charging port. And if the port gets wet, ensure it is completely dry before plugging it in the charger. Also inspect the charging port for any signs of damage or corrosion. And of course, you need to try a different charger if possible. Okay, see if the problem lies with the charger itself or not. Just inspect it for any signs of damage or loose connections. Okay, and for your battery, guys, consider a replacement. Look, if the above steps don't resolve the issue, the battery might be faulty and might need replacement. And if you're unsure on how to replace the battery, just contact NutriBullet support for further assistance. Some other issues could be short circuits in the control board, faulty components. If these are the issues, then you would have to contact NutriBullet customer support or a qualified technician for further assistance on this matter. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.